Okay, so we've got another stress test here on a 40 kilowatt hour ZE1. Yeah, the tire pressure is a bit low, but I can't be bothered to get rid of the warning. This one's interesting because the HX is a lot lower than many that I've seen, but when we go for the stress test, it's remarkably good. So we're on full acceleration now. Traction control's working mad. We're still on full. You can see we're pulling over 380 amps, and yet we're still only showing 56 millivolts. Talking to the customer, he's a firm believer in only ever charging to 80% at the very most, unless he's going on a road trip. And this backs up what I've said for years about the fact that it's not the number of fast chargers that count on these. Look at this one, 771. It's the way you treat the car on AC, and filling it to 100% and then letting it sit. That's globally acknowledged to be the worst thing for it.